Hi friends, welcome back to the live trading campaign videos, and today we're going to check the trade which we have done in last week. And the code for today is: the best investment you can make is an investment in yourself. The more you learn, the more you'll earn. So keep spending time on yourself, keep spending time on learning more and more strategies, more and more techniques, more and more emotional balance, and it will surely help you in making very good in your trading career. Okay, so the stock selected was Reliance, and Reliance was giving a very clear indication of a trending phase, and that is why we decided to go for a trend, direction of a trend. The prices were 1380 and 1381, and a target of 8 points and a stop loss of 5 points, and quantity is 200. So as you know that we don't place single order, we are placing both the orders in both the directions. So waiting for the market to react, and accordingly let us place the sell order as well. It comes to 8 and 5, quantity being 200. Let me change to 200. Okay, so you can see that both orders have been placed and nothing else to be done. And then once, let me just show you. Yeah, so once it is triggered and done, we have to just note down our profits, and we had a very good profit of 1600. So we just have to note it down. This is maintained, this is done to have a very good control, to know what we are doing, what exactly is happening with our trades, and we can also track our performances. So as of now we have reached 23,000, that is close to 50% returns. And this is how a trader's journey is all about: pluses and minuses. But end of the day, or I did not say end of the day, end of the month or end of the challenge, you have to be in profit. This is how we have to continue. Okay friends, any other doubts, any confusion, you can always WhatsApp me. My number is 8095 876525. Thank you and have a nice day.